White Group is an Insurtech broker aggregator which redesigned the intermediation processes to make them streamlined, fully integrated and optimized. Insurance brokers are often small and don't have the resources to heavily invest in innovation themselves. Based on robotic process automation, White Group developed an online platform that allows intermediaries to handle the brokerage processes end-to-end, while aiming at improving customer experience and digitalizing activities. With this solution, White Group taps into the empathy-empowered theme, as both worlds, digital technologies and human skills, are crucial in their broker aggregator model. Next on DIA Primetime, White Group.
Hi Gerardo, great to see you again. Can you briefly introduce yourself and the White Group to our audience?
Hello everybody, I'm Gerardo Di Francesco, founder and managing partner of White Group SPA. White Group is the Italian Insurtech broker aggregator that has redesigned the intermediation process to make them streamlined, fully integrated and optimized. I love to think about White Group as a drop of water, simple but with so much complexity in it. A considerable number of drops can be a wave of innovation.
I really like that, a wave of innovation. Especially when it comes to brokers and agents, digital innovation seems too limited and there are so many opportunities.
Absolutely. Operations efficiency and customer satisfaction are the main challenges for 21st century insurance agents and broker. White Group has put together experience and tradition with innovation through the integration of offline with online. The result is an online platform that allows the intermediary to handle end-to-end the brokering processes, keeping a tailor-made attention to customer and exploiting the digitalization of activities with the least added value.
So in fact you have created the best of both worlds, combining the talents of humans and the power of digital.
Well, we hope so. Yeah, and moreover, this solution is unique because it has been created by a broker for other brokers. It's a full equity scenario with a knowledge of dynamics that only an expert can have. It has already used and tested daily by 20,000 customers plus, over 200 active operators, mainly brokers and agents, transacting 65,000 titles on 41,000 insurance contracts and placed with more than 150 insurance carriers, intermediating more than 100 million in insurance premium.
Whoa, that's significant. Would you be willing to share with us what the key of White Group's success is?
Sure thing. The core of White Group's innovation is the focus on the interactions among agents, brokers, insurance companies and clients. Thanks to White Group's expertise as an independent insurance broker and to EV investments on RPA and IPA, we have created a brand new operational model.
Can you explain why such a new operational model is a necessity nowadays?
Of course, traditional insurance brokerage firms are often small and do not have the resources to even invest on innovation. The risk is not only to become less attractive to customers that are becoming more and more digitalized, but also to have operational costs that are no longer sustainable. White Group brings them solution through innovation.
Great insight, totally agree. Let's go to the demo. What are you going to show us?
Today, I'm going to show you Policy, White Group's operational software. Policy covers all the interactions among the stakeholders involved in the insurance distribution. Its features are IDD compliant and based on IPA and RPA logics. The development framework they are built in is Ruby on Rails, a free-to-use functional language for macro data management. The infrastructure is 100% cloud-based, and the software development methodology is agile within the open source culture. The operators work on Linux distribution every day. The difference that brokers immediately notice is how fast daily operation can become and how risk placement can be optimized and how clients can have digital and face-to-face experiences fully integrated. As an insurance broker myself, I'll show you my daily routine working with White Group's Policy and what results in integrated interactions with the client. The great complexity of the system reflects that of the broker's activity. Before entering into detail, of one of the processes in policy, I'll give you an overview of the several functionalities we have already built and their meaning in the overall experience. Insurtech broker aggregators means that White Group is the new paradigm for digital transformation in the insurance field by shifting attention and R&D from distribution to the operational model of an insurance brokerage firm.
How do you do this in practice?
By focusing on the following three essential aspects. First, a comprehensive view and management of insurance data, which is organized to be used not only by clients, but also by brokers. You can see here, for instance, the dashboard, where I have an overview of premiums collected and expected, commissions and details for each title and client. Data is essential also in the relationship with the customer, since it can have full access to and can manage insurance documents, claims, and more. Second, the automation of all operational processes regarding the policy's life cycle. Here I'm working as an internal operator of the organization, and by uploading the title, I activate all the procedures for enrollment in MyWide and all automatic communication to the broker, the client, and the insurance company. This also includes payment collection, clearing, and settlement. These processes are interoperable via API or web service with insurance companies. Third, an integrated and personalized user experience, which has been developed after extensive R&D activities and has informed not only users' interfaces, but also digital and face-to-face interaction and processes. This can be seen by the client when using MyWide and by the broker in his everyday activity on policy. In September 2020, White app has also been released, White Group's application for Android and iOS devices. That adds to the already existing available channels for broker-client interaction with some new features such as direct insurance claim filing with chatbot. Now, I'll quickly show you the system that involves risk assessment, underwriting, contract subscription, and payment. When a new customer asks for a quote, let's say a company for a D&O, I can choose the insurance product that best responds to the expressed needs through a simple search into know-how, an always updated database. Being one of the leading insurance brokerage firms in Italy, White Group has developed collaborations with more than 150 insurance carriers and has an internal department dedicated to updating, reviewing, and improving risk placement agreements. I can quote directly or I can send a digital survey directly from the system to the client through White Placement Platform, which automatically enrich the data entered thanks to several integrations with external databases. This system also helps data capitalization, a crucial aspect in the insurance business. Of course, it has integrated profiling following the latest IDD rules, and it automatically handles privacy, thus being GDPR compliant. With just a few clicks, I can automatically create and send a quotation or a comparison to the customer, who receives it via email. Once accepted and certified via OTP, all the procedures for payment collection, enrollment in MyWide, and automatic communication to the broker, the client, and the insurance company are activated. As one can see, the main relationship is that between the client and the broker. The infrastructure, both digital and organizational, supports the streamlined interaction and procedures to give the best to both, while guaranteeing a compliant environment. Of course, what I've shown you is just one of the activities that are involved in the policy lifecycle, but White Group has already in place the whole infrastructure for the renewal of existing clients' title, claim management, profiling, and much, much more. Created by a broker for other brokers, policy has been developed keeping an eye on customer satisfaction, optimization, and process integration.
I think that's a clear summary of what you showed us, Gerardo. Great work. Can you tell us a bit about what you would like to accomplish with this, in fact, new operating model?
Well, our broker aggregator model aims at becoming the leading model for insurance brokerage firm. It's quickly expanding in Italy as other brokers get to know it and decide to join White Group. The power of this model resides in empowering the broker so that he can choose and offer the best products on the international market and make his clients live a seamless and personalized customer experience. IPA and RPA create the tools that White Group puts at the service of the broker to express his real added value in nowadays insurance distribution scenario.
Thanks, Gerardo. This solution is really keeping brokers and agents relevant in the digital age. If anyone seeing this show and tell would like to learn more,
they should contact me, of course. Reach out to me via the event hub or at gerardo.difrancesco@whitegroup.eu.
Perfect. Thanks again, Gerardo.
Thank you. Bye.